All right, my people, welcome back to Critics News with more update on as it take they go as it they be now. They say that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, which is Nnamdi Kanu, say the man don't appear inside court to remember that today is the 2nd of May 2025. And I be the second day when in go day court to made them they do the trial. And I know say in the beginning they say they no one do the trial. No man Nnamdi Kanu been talk saying it go good made them settle out of court. And the matter where they saw be that. Let us play you a few clips and also get back to the previous update that has been trending. This video was posted by his brother, Kanu. Maybe this one on the Canada right court.
Hello, Chima. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
All right. This is coming in from Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, where they say that the man has arrived for his trial. This is the second time for this on this same matter. When I go remember, see, the government or the judge approved a testifier to testify behind the screen, make them for no see the face, so saying that it will be dangerous for the testifier if they see the face. So say some angry people when they support IPOB, if you go give them blow for face, so now those kind of things, I make the concept, you know, go good, maybe they expose the person's face, so that they say now like this, the person come build this one, a fiamio, the kind dressing will be this one, even though you won't go testify against person, must you dress like a terrorist? The thing self even shocked me. According to them, they come, they ask them, say, waiting they find inside court. They say no be smart, you know. They say now inside hotel, now they see Nnamdi Kanu before they go arrest him. I'm not talking about this recent one who they say the first time. I think the one where they release them in 2017. Other old videos, they inside the matter.
Here made today about my government to say actually my trial. I didn't put no objection to trial, so I say okay, can you know opportunity to do trial? So here made today we direct in the became direct examination of their face witness. I just see an ajuju oza Luzio genke anyone was still a postponement or adjournment to second May. To second May, Oga, when you want to testify that, or after one stand, I want joy. Oga, what I do, see on.
Only Ajaruba Osiare for the federal government of Nigeria. Mumon Webia, Afuri, Okiwu, Yellow Leaf granted permission for him to be masked. And it will remain like that until Ajuju, Aga, Juya, no Siari, Ogaba.
All right. These are the lawyers representing Nnamdi Kanu. Remember that according to the story, they say that Nnamdi Kanu hired additional 4 new sons, which is a senior advocate of Nigeria, to represent him in court over this matter. Oh, I'm going to say this matter now, don't tie rapper, no be small thing, and be this one. Now the arrest of 2015, now we see the talk, they never come to the arrest of the arrest we didn't do for Kenya, even though they say na extraordinary arrest, now be that one who say na kidnapping. In fact, that kind of arrest say it amount to kidnapping. But the federal government now, they start from primary level, from where they started, which is 2015. The first arrest, which gave the release of, which gave way for his release in 2017, which the Senate minority leader in Abia, which is Senator Inyinaya Baribe, stood shorty for him, made them release him. After which, according to the information we don't do on public domain, where they go invade his house in Afaruku, we make them talk say he escaped with his life down to another country, which is Obodo Yibo, where he constantly start to they make broadcasts. They talk say this country, una don't scatter everything, make una do and well. If una not do and well, make una divide and make everybody they go in papa and mama house. So now so matter take boss out. Make una watch more of that.
The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, is back at the Federal High Court Abuja for his trial in a case of alleged terrorism leveled against him by the federal government. Mr. Kanu, who is all smiles, is received by his defense team. Present in court also are his family members. At the last hearing, the trial judge had approved an accelerated hearing of the case, and he kept to his words. Just as the counsel to the federal government, Adegboyega Awomolo, called its first witness, a DSS officer, who testified behind the screen. This, according to him, is due to the nature of the case and for security reasons. The first witness of the federal government, with code name PWAAA, says he left the team that arrested Kanu at a hotel in Lagos on the 14th of October 2015, and the room where he was arrested looks like a broadcasting studio. Mr. Kanu, who claimed to be in the struggle to make life better for people, admits setting up Radio Biafra as a communication engineer. He, however, admitted not having a license to operate a radio station in Nigeria, which is a crime, but defends his action, saying he knows that if he applies, it won't be granted. In Mr. Kanu's statement, he further admits to fighting for emancipation of the people of Southeast, South-South, parts of Benue and Kogi. He declared that freedom fighting is not a crime in any part of the world, including Nigeria, because it is a fundamental right. The defendant further adds that he believes in the freedom of speech and that the UN Charter on People's Rights guarantees the right to self-determination. He denies involvement in any violence because he has not been linked to anyone. The defense team speaks after the day's proceeding, just as the prosecution declines to react.
The matter has eventually kicked off without rancor. You know, you needed to have been in court to observe the proceedings. All the parties cooperated, and PW1 testified. PW1 is Mr. AAA, as he was designated. He investigated the matter 10 years ago, and today he came and gave his evidence and tendered documents.
The government is finally having the trial that it desires. Our position still remains unchanged despite the ongoing trial. That our client is innocent of the charges, that the case is driven by political considerations, and in the end, the innocence of our client will be established.
After 10 long years, finally Nnamdi Kanu now has his day in court as the Nigerian government called its first witness. The case continues on Friday, May 2nd, under cross-examination by Kanu's lawyer. From the Federal High Court, Abuja, Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.
All right. Mona don't see I'm not the matter with the SOP. Now be this one so. Where they say they look into the matter now today, which is the 2nd day of May 2025, where Nnamdi Kanu has also appeared in court. They say they go cross-examine the person when come talk before. The person we don't come out will be DSS official. People will follow go read the hotel when in 2015. They say Nadia that they go cross-examine that very person. Ask them their own question. That is coming from Barrister Loy Ejimako. He's a special counsel on top this matter. The matter is tough, no be as soon as they look at this matter, and when everybody they talk say, na simple something. My brother, my sister, no be simple something. No, this matter, it tough, and make una just put on a chaplet for water because this one when federal government they talk, oh, must stand trial. Like say get within the hole where we no know where they want take the pinch Nnamdi Kanu go one corner or they want take the press in neck. But all those lawyers, all those son waiting don't call, so they go they find a loophole where they go take put wage so that the federal government will not roll over the man on top of this very case. Now waiting they do be that one. So the trial has commenced. Now make the no see opportunity take jail the man. Now everybody they pray for. Some people don't come and can't talk many things. Some people don't talk, say, don't commit several offenses, so no be only to import radio. When I go remember, say, waiting person talk outside country, that one different. When they see where the case they come from now, say they come from 2015. 2015, we have not talked about the recent happenings now. We make the Court of Appeal can free the man in October 2023, discharged and acquitted. They talk say even no other court should, charge Nnamdi Kanu or try him. But the federal government now, they say, now so now they do for here, they put a stay of execution. They quickly ran to court and they gave them a stay of execution. After that October ruling, they have to keep Nnamdi Kanu till December when they were able to get a stay of execution, which held him. You can imagine October, November, December, I think like 2 months before they got the stay of execution, where they keep him inside DSS custody. So since that time, when I see how the matter they go up and down. So finally the trial has commenced. We never even reached the side where they talk saying don't go create an armed group, which is the Eastern Security Network. When they talk say, these people go they stand to defend Igbo land because of the Fulani attacks and other act of criminalities when they happen for the southeast. Some people don't talk say, the insecurity way there for Igbo land, say now your ESN, now they cause them also in don't talk say lie. The ESN when in create, they know they disturb anybody. They know they some people say don't go bring recordings of different broadcasts when in don't make during both sit at home during the NSAS. In fact, let me cut the story short. We have not gotten to that extent now. We have not gotten to that NSAS side where they will be playing recordings and all that. Even for the hotel where they talk, say, they raid. They say they see many things like a glue, broadband network and all that. The one where come they shock people when I never feel confirmed now. Our investigators are still on the matter. They talk, say, they see one woman, one lady with Nnamdi Kanu. They say they for the other room too, say they see 2 ladies for the other room. Some people don't they accuse the man who saying they do 3 or before some. I don't know the kind of accusation will be all those ones. Anybody where they talk that kind of thing, if I see you, now blow will go take settle the matter. They say and so. Now the matter where they happen be that to different accusations. Now they come the truth, they give the man. They say and so for IPOB. Because the kind of things where they happen for Igbo land, even as I talk to you now, is totally unacceptable. Insecurity have escalated to the maximum caused by our own people. Of course, we know that Fulani terrorists are also terrorists and are disturbing the human lives. But the one when our own people they cause, is totally unacceptable because yes, so if we're able to contain the one when our own people they cause, containing external aggression, containing external terrorism, go dey easy. But the one, the terrorism, when our own people, Igbo youth, who are supposed to be the protectors of their own people, they cause, that one is totally unacceptable by our people. Whereby people go, they go their normal, in fact, go see kidnapping, no be small thing, by buying of people. Go see human scores. What is this? Igbos are not known to be buying themselves. You should be buying your enemies, buying terrorists who came to buy your own people. but rather our own people now have turned to be buying our own people. Poor. Normal work, okay, I beg you, may we go front. After the case now, I go come back, come give on the update. But before I waka come on, pata ili. Make una no forget to use tap send take some money go Nigeria. Now my promo code na be that one. Use my promo code Critics News. Type it in capital letters. May you for they get the money within the dash people who will use my promo code. Like people waiting for UK now £15 they go give you. Say may take for using my promo code. People waiting for Europe, Europe, Italy, Germany, France. Just name them. Luxembourg, Netherlands. Just name them. They will give you 15 euros on top of the money that you are sending. What are you talking about? People waiting for Canada na $30. People waiting for USA na $30. Then go add on top of your money because of this my promo code. And people waiting for Dubai side. What are you waiting for? Na 75 AED 9 they go knock you. The promo na triple. Everything na triple. Na triple. All you have to do is just to download it from App Store or Google Play. No excuse. Say, oh, you know they for my Android phone, no. You know they for my Apple phone, no, you did there. Just go there and type, tap, send. You go see and use this promo code, may you begin to enjoy. You see and so. As we take the matter so we take the talk and may we see how the case go. We don't hand the matter over to God. Make him come be the judge on top of this matter. You see and so. I go come back sharply.